Okay, so editor find global find clipboard controls whether the find widget should read or modify the shared find clipboard on macOS. Now this is a macOS specific setting and by default is set to false. And this is how this works. macOS has a universal find functionality, which means that you can copy some text from any application and try and find that same text on any other application just by pressing Command E to use the selection as to find something, and then Command G or G on some other application. So because this is set to false, it wouldn't work. So, but let me set it to true so I can show you how this works. So let's just select editor and then press Command E. So editor was automatically copied into the find widget, and if I remove editor from there and close the widget so that you know that there's nothing written in there, and press Command E, now it was automatically copied to that or there. Now if I switch to another application like Google Chrome and I press Command G, it automatically search for the next instance of editor. And even though I'm in a completely different application, macOS has this universal find feature that I can just iterate through. And this is very important and very cool to use, particularly when you find an error and you want to select a part of that error message, and then you just want to search for that code in your code base, on a file or something like that. So this is very useful. So if we set this to false, actually let me remove editor from here. Let's set this to false so that you see the difference. And we can select editor, press Command E, so the selection will still go there. But now, if we go on Google Chrome, I'm going to press Command F, not Command G, just to make sure that no selections are here. But if we press Command G now, oh, it's still working? Why is that? I thought I removed the selection. Oh, okay, so let's write something else, like global. Close this down. Let's set to false. Let's erase this. Okay, let's select editor, press Command E. Now switch applications, press Command G, and you're searching for global. We were searching for editor before because that was the last search that we did. And we're searching for global even though we really want to be searching for editor, right? So if you turn it to true, set it to true, we remove this here, we make some other search there, and now if we select editor, press Command E, it's there. We change apps, Command D or G, and now we're searching for the same keyword. And this is very useful in many instances, particularly when you have an error and you want to find a piece of code that's on your project. So I hope that was clear. And my suggestion is to leave this option as true.